What's up, guys? This is my custom S&M dirt bike. Starting from the top, we got Aaron Ross keyboard grips with white Odyssey Bar Ends on Eclat. Eclat Ashley bars with a Shadow Conspiracy front load stem, stolen Vortex stem bolt, a Shadow Conspiracy integrated headset with Eclat stream forks, and then I got a Shadow Conspiracy blue rim laced to a Shadow hub with a Shadow hub guard and a stolen Thermalite peg, same in the back. And then I got Shadow pedals with Eclat cranks and a Shadow Scream sprocket and what's it called? A Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, a fit seat with a Kink Seat Post and I think that's a Sunday seat clamp chrome. And then I got a Shadow Valdero rear hub laced to a Shadow rim, same in the front, with two teal wall tires, and then the peg, same in the back. And that's it.